Hello, and welcome to another Knight HC trading video. This video is going to instruct you on installation of the Fast Foam IV stand. Remove the Knight HC accessory kit. Take the small mounting screws from their package. Gently turn the Fast Foam system to its back and place the grips against the back side. Take the mounting screws and slip the lock washer onto the screw, followed by the flat washer. Place the mounting screws with the washers against the grips and screw them into place on the back of the Fast Foam system. Tighten for safety. You're now ready for final assembly. Rest the brace on the jacket of the IV stand. Use either brace for differing height setups. Once in place, tighten the grips to secure the Fast Foam system to the IV stand. And now your Knight HC Fast Foam system is securely mounted to the IV stand and ready for use. Thank you for watching this video.